In the fast-paced world of industrial operations, where excellence is the constant pursuit, efficiency translates to profitability. Today, we explore how IRIV PiControl is making a significant impact, maximizing overall equipment effectiveness, and making efficiency and productivity more attainable for all. Imagine a bustling factory with machines working together. Common challenges like elevated temperatures, high humidity levels, and unusual vibrations can disrupt smooth operations. These challenges can lead to downtime, decreased production efficiency, and increased operational costs if not addressed proactively. The IRIV PiControl powered by Raspberry Pi CM4 seamlessly integrates into your industrial setup, addressing crucial functions like temperature regulation, vibration management, and humidity control through external sensors. These sensors diligently watch over your operations, promptly notifying you of any irregularities, enabling you to take preventive measures and maintain optimal efficiency. OEE is a critical metric in manufacturing, crucial for boosting production, minimizing downtime, and improving product quality. IRIV PiControl is your all-in-one solution for industrial efficiency, offering quick access to critical data and remote control capabilities.